Hey, this is Anthony from Hobby Pursuit. Today I decided to just go to a regular park. It's called the Oxbow Park here, and just want to test out the A7 Mark III. Really want to improve on my landscape photography. Take some pictures of, I don't know, buildings, trees, even animals like birds. Holy moly, I just saw I'm not really a bird expert, but it's a very colorful bird. It's really red in color, so I'm gonna take out my zoom lens, and it's my old lens from my Alpha 99. It's a Coke barrel lens, so reason why I got it is it's 300 mil. So let's see, if I put it in Super 35, it's probably going to reach around 400 or 500, and let's see what happens. See if I can catch this bird. The silence that I need. I don't even think the birds are around with all this noise, but anyway, so put it on. There you go, and that should keep me around, I'm not sure, 300 times 1.5. I'm not sure, around 400 or 500. So all right, let's see if you can get that red bird. I wish I was an expert, and I wish I knew to nail the bird, but let's see if I can get it through my lens. Well, I'm kind of happy because I made something out of that little canal. See the perspective? It's very small and narrow, this canal, but I think I created something. I made it look like it's like a big running water, like a pond or something, like a river. I don't know, but anyway, it's just one of those things that you could make out of photography. You could discover things, create things, whatever you want to do. So anyway, this is Kyle's Turn 95. It's a short one. I wish I could find some more birds here and stuff, but I'm running short on time. So till next time.